Style, comfort, and function come together with the Packer Gear Black Brief Harness. From California Exotic Novelties, the company that makes something for everyone. Contemporary design meets practical function. These soft, stretchy, and comfortable briefs have an extra wide waistband, a discreet 2-panel design for dual penetration, and 2 internal stimulator pockets. Just add a favorite external vibe for yourself and your lover too. This will be your go-to harness with an internal strap for reliable support and a reinforced O-ring to easily accommodate your favorite packers, dongs, and probes. Easy to clean, they're washable. Be comfortable with the Packer Gear Black Brief Harness.